So good morning everyone.
Morning, sir.
Myself, this is Kiran, chemistry faculty, and welcome to the Bredova School Trade Branch. So today we are going to conduct the Olympiad program on acids, bases, and salts. So this is very important, and this is very important for you for understanding this acids, bases, and salts concept. We are doing a playway method. Which method?
Playway.
So by doing this playway method, we can understand what is acid, what is base, what is salt. Very easy, simple language. Clear? First of all, we will discuss about acid. So I will ask some questions. Please respond that questions. Give your response. What is acid? Just raise your hand. Yes, please. No, please.
Acid is a substance that have H plus ions.
Yes.
The acid is a substance which include H plus ion is called acid.
Anyone?
The substances which give H plus ions in water is called acid.
Acids, the substances which gives more number of H plus ions. More number of
H plus ions.
in aqueous solution. In aqueous
Solution.
aqueous solution is nothing but a liquid solution. Aqueous solution is nothing but a
Liquid solution.
So what is acid? The substance which gives more number of H plus
Ion.
in aqueous
Solution.
is called acid. Is called acid. And acid is sour in taste. Acid is
Sour in taste.
And acid will convert blue litmus paper to
Red litmus paper.
Three properties.
Yes, sir.
Three properties we have studied.
थांब रे थांब.
The substance which gives more number of H plus ions in aqueous solution is called acid. Okay. Acids are sour in taste. Next, the acid will convert the blue litmus paper to red litmus paper. Understand? So, how these acids are forming? How these acids are forming? You both come. Both of them.
आता जाय पुढे.
Come here. Come here. Now, the formation of acids. Nobody should laugh. Okay? When non-metallic oxides combine with water, it gives acid. It gives acid. How these acids are forming? These acids are forming when the non-metallic oxides combine with water to form acid. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
What are the examples for acids? Yes. Citric acid down. Yeah.
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid, lactic acid, nitric acid. Clean of the acid is called nitric acid. Sulfuric acid, acetic acid,
सर
hydrochloric acid,
कार्बोनिक एसिड.
tartaric acid, carbonic acid,
टॅनिक एसिड.
tannic acid. So many examples, n number of examples are there for acids. But the most important
अरे.
examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, acetic acid, and formic acid. So these are the examples for acids. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt? Okay. Next, coming to base. What is base?
अरे फालतू.
What is base?
The substance which H minus OH minus ions, large number of OH minus ions.
Right. Yeah.
Base which give OS minus
Very good. Very good. Good answer. So base is the substance which give more number of OH minus ions in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution is called a base. Base is a bitter in taste. Base is a bitter in taste. The base which converts the red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. Red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. Bitter in taste. The substance which contain more number of OH minus ions is called a base. And how these bases are forming? These bases will form.
Metallic oxide plus water.
These bases are forming by the combination of metal oxides. Metal oxide when combined with water, it gives a base. It gives a base. Understand? This is about base. Any doubt? Any doubt? When this acid is reacted with a base, it gives a
Salt.
This reaction is called
Neutralization reaction.
Now you understood about the neutralization reaction?
Yes.
Come forward. So I am coming here. Acids. The acid can be depends upon their strength. Acid may be depend upon their strength. Acid may be depend upon the concentration. Depend upon the concentration. Acids are depend upon the H plus ions. Number of H plus ions. First one is what? Strength. First one is what?
Strength.
According to, on the basis of the strength of the acid, these acids are divided into two types. Strong acids and weak acid. What is strong acid? What is weak acid? What is the definition? Strong acid means which dissolve completely. Which dissolve completely. Or H plus ions dissolve completely. Is called strong acid. Weak acids means which can dissolve partially. H plus ions can be dissolved partially. Is called weak acid. So strong acid, weak acid. What is strong acid? Which can dissolve H plus ions completely. Is called strong acid. Which can dissolve H plus ions partially. Is called weak acid. So strong acid, weak acid. Now let's come to the concentrated and diluted. What is concentrated acid? What is diluted acid? Yes, please.
Concentrated acid, the acid which hydrochloric acid. Yes.
Not clear. Not clear. Yes, please. Sit down.
The acid which contains more number of water and less number of water and more number of acid is called.
Good. Good. So concentrated acid and diluted acid. Concentrated acid means what? The percentage of the acid is more than water. The percentage of water is more than water. The percentage of acid is more than water is called concentrated acid. What are the examples for concentrated acid? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Okay. Diluted means what? Diluted. Yes. The percentage of the water is more than acid is called diluted acid. Good. What are the examples for diluted acid? Acetic acid, formic acid. Acetic acid formula is CH3COOH.
Formic acid.
Formic acid means HCOOH. Citric acid. Oxalic acid. H2C2O4 is an oxalic acid. These are examples for weak acids. Any doubt? If the acid which contain only one H plus is called monobasic acid. Monobasic acid. If two H plus ions are there the solution that is called dibasic acid. If 3 H plus ions are there, tribasic acid. The example for monobasic is hydrochloric acid. The example for dibasic is sulfuric acid. The example for tribasic is H3PO3. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. So this is the story about acid. Any doubt? Please, acid, go and sit in your place. Come here, base. Now, go there. This is the base. What is base? What is base? The substance which contain more number of OH ions is called a base. Okay. Base is a bitter in taste, and it changes the red litmus paper to blue. How these bases are forming when metal oxides reacting with the water, it gives a base. It gives a base. Example for bases: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, cesium hydroxide. N number of examples are there for bases. And these bases also depend upon the strength. Of the base. Second one is the concentration of the base. And third one is the acidity of the base. First one is what? Strength of the base. So based on the strength of the base, these bases are divided into two. One is what? Strong base and weak base. If OH minus ions are completely dissolved in water, it is called a strong base. If OH minus ions is partially dissolved in water, it is called a weak base. What are the examples for strong base? Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide is the example for strong base. What are the example for weak base? Ammonium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, like that. These are the examples for weak ammonium hydroxide. NH4OH is called ammonium hydroxide. Next, coming to concentration. Concentrated base, weak base. What is concentrated base? Yeah.
The base have more amount of base which called less amount of water.
The solution which contain more number of base, less number of water quantity. Water quantity is called concentrated base. What is weak base?
Sir, the base which large number of water and
Less number of base. The solution which contain large number of water, less number of base is called weak base. Clear? If number of OH minus is 1, that is a monobasic. Okay. Number of OH minus is 2, dibasic. If number of OH minus is 3, tribasic. Example for monobasic is sodium hydroxide. Example for dibasic is magnesium hydroxide. Example for tribasic is aluminium trioxide. Any doubt regarding this base? Please go base. Go to your base. Salt. So salt. What is salt?
acid reacts with the base to form acid.
Yes.
When acid reacts with this, then form salt.
Acid reacts with base to form salt and water.
You take that when they are answering the question. Yes.
Acid reacts with base to form salt and water. This one utilizes.
Slowly.
The substance which H plus ions plus OH minus ions is called the base.
No. Wrong.
acid and base react each other to decide which one is
No, you tell. What is
The acid reacts with base to form salt. In this process is called neutralization reaction.
when acid react with the base, it gives salt and water. Salt and
Water.
this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Neutralization.
Reaction.
If you want to neutralize the acid, you should add base. If I want to neutralize the base, I should add acid.
Acid.
Understand?
Yes.
To neutralize the acid, I should add base. To neutralize the base, I should add acid.
Acid.
So these kind of reaction is called
Neutralization reaction.
Anyone can tell me the example for salt one by one. One. Yeah. Salt. Common salt. Right. Yes. Next. Next. Salt का example. What are the examples for salt? Yes. Potassium. Wrong. Sit. Girls. Example for salt.
अरे तू ब्यूट रे गोरिया
Rubber. Mixed salt.
What's that?
Mixed salt.
No. Yes.
Sodium.
Sodium chloride is the example for salt. This sodium chloride is also called rock salt. Rock
Salt.
or table salt.
Salt.
Or eatable salt.
Common salt.
Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium sulfate, aluminum sulfate, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate. Young number of examples are there for salt. Understand? Now today you understood about what are the acid, what are the base, what are the salt. And here, litmus paper will give any color changes in this?
No.
No.
Color change.
Because this is a neutral. There is no change at all in the litmus paper. While if you are taking an acid, blue color may be changes to red color. If you are taking a base, red color may be changes to
Blue color.
clear? Good.